यार ये हम लोग कहाँ फंस गए अब कैसे जाएंगे हम लोग वापस Welcome back to episode 5 of Student Living in UK. So the day started with my friend came to pick me up, and after that we went to Wingstop because he wanted to eat something, and then we picked my one more friend and we went for a mini trip. After coming to UK, I went on a trip after a very long time, and it was also planned because one of my friend came to see me and we planned that we'll go somewhere, and because he knows places more than me, I let him choose where we will go. And look at that view. Isn't it great? Like, oh my god. By the way, guys, this is not in Scotland, this is in England. It's just 1 hour drive from the Edinburgh. I don't know the exact name of this place because we were going to Holy Island for the water causeway. That is basically the water comes on road because of the tidal movement, and this is the place. It was like so much water when we came in, but then we have to wait for an hour, so we decided that because we have came so far, we cannot wait there 1 or 2 hours more because it will take 2 hours to open that road. So we decided we'll go to the nearest cafe and explore the places nearby us. And it was so good because you can see the view. It was so nice. We didn't directly go to the cafe. We went to some castle and it was really pretty. We parked the car there, but unfortunately it was closed.
Guys, driving by the beach, pretty, so pretty. और एक और बहुत अच्छी जगह पे हम लोग अभी जाएंगे क्योंकि वो बंद है, वो तभी जब पहुंचेंगे तब बताऊंगी मैं.
Then we reached the exact place we wanted to go. And after that, my friend is here just doing the ticket things, and it is taking so much time because of Wi-Fi. Then we ended up in this cutesy cafe, and it was actually very big. From outside, it was looking very small, cute cafe, but inside, it was very big and cute cafe. And that's the fit check. We ordered some hot drinks and some snacks because we didn't had anything from day long after that wing stop. And then we headed back to the place we wanted to go. And when we reached back, I couldn't even believe my eyes because look at the water in the video and then look at this road. It is the exact same road, and I couldn't even believe it happens just because of the tidal movement. For a few hours, water goes down and then it's back in its space. And then we headed back to the home, and that's the train going somewhere. I don't know which train. But yeah, drive back home was very nice. It was raining, it was sunset time, it was so windy. It's typical UK weather, so we can't deny it. And you can see how cloudy it got. It was sunny. Then we got some pizza for the dinner, and because it was raining, so I was hiding my hair. Then we got some snackies from the Asda, and we headed back, parked the car at safe place, had pizza, and that's all for today. See you in next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.